You've got mail.
Yes!
Yes. I'm gonna open this box so hard. Well, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EEDC. Yes, I am driving. Yes, I shouldn't be while doing this. But yes, I am running late for work. Part of the reason that we're doing this video is I'm tempted to do a truck chats, but I don't know if I have enough content, but I do have an unboxing. So, let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to take a break, probably stop and get some food. You know, see if I want to actually go through with this. My unboxing knife for the day is the Wii Saga. I've been carrying this more and more, and this grows on you. This thing is, that's why I gave this a chance without trying to get rid of it or anything like right away. It's a limited edition, but I haven't been scared to use it lately anymore, and I actually enjoy this. It's comfortable, it's cool looking, it's not the most comfortable, don't get me wrong. Here's the box. It's not the most comfortable. It's not like if I had to choose between this and my Malice, I don't think I would question it and go straight to my Malice. But if I had to choose between any knife and my Malice, it would be my Malice. Just saying. And that includes my Hinderer. I freaking love the Hinderer, dude. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But that Malice, man, woo, boy. Right my style, awesome. The only thing that the Hinderer's got on it, in my opinion, is the fact that you can customize the Hinderer. You can't really customize the Malice, at least with those type of parts, right? You would have to like make your own stuff. And most of us don't have that skill set. Alright. This clearly is a Wii knife. I knew what this was, which is why I brought my Wii Saga. Alright. If you think I'm acting weird or I'm like accentuating stuff, I'm actually trying to make it entertaining despite driving and not even looking at you guys, but showing my face. So, while I'm opening the box, I did it in one of my recent videos, but anybody who watched Dave's Likes Knives, and if you don't, go. But I have a tendency when I watch something, I'll like say it in my head, right, as they're doing it, especially when it's repetitive. I started watching his episode, and he's like, "Hey, folks, Dave Likes Knives here," and I'm like, I should do like an impressions video of everybody. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is Le Wii Roxi. So this is one that I knew before I bought it the generic size, and actually, no, I didn't. So when I purchased it, I really loved the look. I thought it was awesome. And I'm on this Wii knife kick. Ever since I fell in love with the Malice, the Saga, like I want nothing more than to just have another Wii knife. And there's like 16 of them, just like fucking Savivi, that are out there. Centering's perfect. And so I was going through and I seen this and I'm like, this looks sweet. This is like my next one. I like the Valiant. I want to get my hands on the Valiant. I was looking for, what do they call those? Like a little chubby, like the little chubby freaking little ones, right? Hold on. So I was looking for one of the chubby little ones. And the Valiant isn't on the sites that I purchased from. I purchased so many knives, guys, I gotta do that like Cecil stuff if I'm gonna do it, because I can't continuously pay $200-300 for a knife. I have to like owe the man instead of just getting it done with. Anyways, so this little flipper tab seems relatively unobtrusive, but it does have a fuller, which is part of the selling point. So you can whoop, flick it out, no freaking problem. This is the Wii Roxi. So I know this is an older model. I think this came out in like 2016. And after watching a lot of reviews, some people freaking love this thing. And you just love it for the way it looks. You just love it for the little badass tank that it is. And then some people like want to love it because the guy who designed this, which I forgot who it was, is like a friend of the community, right? So you're kind of like scared to bash it, which I get. Like sometimes I'm scared to bash loaner knives because I know the people that send them in like love them so much. You don't want to hate on them too much. Like, But, so some of the bashing points is right here is a hot spot on the pocket clip that looks awesome, but the milling creates a lot of hot spots, and actually pushing down on it does hurt. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's comfortable, but in my hand, the only thing that I feel as any type of hot spot is that corner, because you're gonna use this choked up more times than not. If you use it like this, there's really no hot spots. The choked up position allows you to get the 4-finger grip, even though this like choil isn't wide enough. Not a review, by the way, just kind of like an unboxing / show and tell. Even though that finger choil is not wide enough, it does work. And then that just causes a hot spot down here. That's me That's me pinching it with the back, like as hard as I can, right? Now, if you're cutting, what's gonna happen? I don't know. I don't really know how this is gonna feel. I've learned that cutting ergos and resting ergos are two different things. Resting ergos when you're sitting on your couch flipping the damn thing. If it's comfortable, then you can sit there on the couch for a long time and flip it, and it's not a big deal. And you can just you do what at least I do is like you'll be like, you know, and then you'll kind of not even look at it, and you'll just kind of like feel around the ergos, and then you'll go back to flipping it. So those ergos are what I call resting ergos. There's working ergos though. So if I were to take this and try to knock down like 4 pieces of cardboard, like 4 cardboard boxes, right? After 5 minutes, if it takes you 5 minutes to do that, maybe that's bad. If it takes you 5 minutes to do that though, what your hand feels like then is the working ergos. You're gonna feel it as you're cutting. And so anyways, I'm curious to see what this feels like. But the long story short is, there is no back and forth, there is no up and down. No up and down. The action, while not broken in, works just fine. The flipper tab works just fine. I guess last on the list, we have a resume. A resume right here. Might not need these anymore. Come to that later. Oh yeah. It came screaming sharp. And the blade stock's super thick, so this is pretty sweet. I'm done. I'm gonna hurt myself. So, this, ladies and gentlemen, is the wee Roxi. Super excited. It might have a number behind it. Where's the box at? It's just the wee Roxi. I think there's like a wee Roxi 4, and I thought a larger version of this would look cool, and I think this looks better than the wee Roxi 4. I forgot my fucking wallet. Stupid son. Well, there goes the food idea for the morning. Anyways, my name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, have a great day. If I choose to do a truck chats or monologues from the motor vehicle, which is what I called them because somebody else snatched it up like 5 days before I made one. And I think I was inspired to make one from his subconsciously, and it makes me mad that I did that. If I do that, I'll tack that on to the end of this video. If I do not, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Yeah.